We'll begin with the AmJam Jamaica Award of Excellence for Arts and Culture. The AmJam Jamaica Award of Excellence, Art and Culture recognizes outstanding contribution by individuals and organizations, including NGOs, to the positive promotion of brand Jamaica in a range of spheres, including the visual, literary, and performing arts. Visual arts includes ceramics, film, fine arts, and photography. Literary arts includes short and long stories and anthologies of poems. And performing arts includes theater, dance, and music. Ms. Kelly Tomlin, President and CEO of JPS, Gold sponsor, and member of the AmJam Board of Directors, will present the second place award in this category of Arts and Culture Individual to Mrs. Laura Facey Cooper.